Another update is imminent as we welcome you aboard, cruisers. Thank you for joining as we go again with our popular Cruise Hive news updates. We have another 5 news stories heading your way as guest accidentally sends revealing photo to cruise line. We have Carnival say robot vacuums are fine. Also dining options revealed for Celebration Key, as well as Carnival addresses cooking classes and more. So join us as we delve fully into all these updates brought to you directly from cruisehive.com. Carnival Cruise Line is preparing to open its new private destination, Celebration Key, in the Grand Bahama in July 2025. The $600 million resort will feature over 30 dining options, including 4 full-service restaurants, 9 food trucks, and 12 bars across 2 areas, Calypso Lagoon and Starfish Lagoon. Signature restaurants like Mingo's Tropical Bar and Kitchen and Jill's Grill will serve Bahamian and Caribbean dishes. Guests will also enjoy exclusive options at Pearl Cove Beach Club, as Celebration Key will offer a variety of experiences for more than 500 scheduled itineraries. MSC Cruises is set to debut a new dining venue, Eataly at Sea, aboard the MSC World America, launching in April 2025. The partnership with the renowned Italian brand Eataly will bring gourmet Italian cuisine, including handmade pastas and an open kitchen concept. The 6,700 guest ship, currently under construction at Chantier de Atlantique in France, will also feature a Greek restaurant, Pakos, and 19 dining venues. After its christening at Port Miami on April 9, 2025, MSC World America will sail alternating Eastern and Western Caribbean itineraries. It could happen to any one of us, as Kate Goodwin, a Virgin Voyages passenger, accidentally sent a revealing photo while submitting a selfie for onboard identification ahead of her cruise. The Londoner, 30 years of age, mistakenly assumed her photo would be cropped at the shoulders, but she had just exited the shower, resulting in a full nude image. Virgin Voyages later contacted her, warning that her submission contained nudity. Goodwin quickly resolved the issue and shared the story on TikTok, where it went viral. Despite the embarrassment, Goodwin and others laughed at the incident and no harm was done. It's ready, steady, cook, as Carnival Cruise Line is not discontinuing its popular Carnival kitchen cooking classes, despite online rumours. The classes will remain available on all ships except the Carnival Panorama. The removal of the cooking classes on Panorama will take effect soon, though the reason for this change has not been disclosed. Despite these rumours, the classes remain available on all other ships, including Carnival Celebration, Mardi Gras and Carnival Jubilee. Carnival's cooking classes, which include options like sushi making, pasta workshops and cake decorating, debuted a new offering featuring a Muriel Lagasse's 3-course meal on Carnival Jubilee in 2023. Other Carnival ships will continue offering these culinary experiences for guests. Carnival Cruise Line has confirmed that guests may bring robot vacuums like Roombas on board if desired. This was clarified by Carnival's brand ambassador John Heald after a guest inquired about bringing one on the Carnival Vista. While robot vacuums are not on the prohibited items list, passengers are responsible for any mishaps, such as the device escaping into corridors. Heald assured guests that cabin attendants maintain high cleaning standards, making the need for personal vacuums unnecessary. Carnival Vista, based in Port Canaveral, offers 6- and 8-night Caribbean cruises with daily cleaning provided for all staterooms. And that's it for me today, cruisers. My name is Paul, and all the news you require is over on cruisehive.com. Now, if anyone has any news, you can email us at newstips@cruisehive.com. Please show your support by liking our video and please subscribing to our channel. I hope you have a good day, cruisers, and I'll see you in the next video.